Hey everyone, thanks for checking out another video. So I'm out here on a gray, rainy, miserable Saturday for two trains. The first one being CSX I-168 with the 1899 Pierre Marquette Heritage Unit leading. The 168 just finished their work in Buffalo. They had a big cut of auto racks on the rear of the train to drop in the yard. It took them about an hour and a half. So you can see them way down there now, like coming out of the mist down there. They do have a high green, if you can see it through the fog down there on that top right mast. So I'm gonna get him here, and then I'm gonna move down to Cemetery Road. Sorry, not Cemetery Road, Pavement Road for CSX B780, an ethanol train, empty ethanol train with that BNSF Executive Mac from a couple videos ago. This time it's on the head end trailing second. So those are the two target trains of the day. All right, guys, it has been about an hour since I saw the Pierre Marquette. So now I'm back out here at Pavement for B780 with the BNSF 9786, the Executive Mac. The B780 is empty ethanol cans out of Seawarren, New Jersey that heads west to Proviso, Illinois. All right, guys, so our B780 is holding just east of me here for other trains. I think they're just waiting on traffic right now. You can see down there is a eastbound coming out of Buffalo. That is CSX B759, a loaded ethanol train out of Blue Island, Illinois, heading for Selkirk, New York. All right, here comes Amtrak 63. Man, he was flying. I did not expect him to come through here that fast. I guess it makes it easier when all the ethanol cans are empty. So that's gonna do it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all very soon.